Alright, we have a new developer's tool, the next generation IDE by Google, Antigravity. It's called Google Antigravity. Look, that's cool. Well, let's download it for Windows, because this is a tool promising to be cross-surface agents, and we can use it to develop our applications. Plus, they promise free Gemini 3 Pro in it. If we look at the pricing, we right now have a public preview, and it's a zero cost, and we have an agent model, access to Gemini Pro, Claude Sonnet 4.5, and GPT OSS. I'm more interested in those two, which could be fun. So let's see. If we download, we have options for Mac, for Windows and Linux. I am using Windows. We're getting our Google Gravity downloaded. Alright, so let's fire it up. And we have an agreement to agree to, say next. Yep. Create desktop icon. I wanted to, yes. Open with anti-gravity. Well, this is not necessary. I'm going to always open it by from the folder. So add to paths. This is what we need. That's it. Let's launch anti-gravity. And we've got allow access. We've got welcome screen. Let's see next. Okay, it's asking import from VS Code. I would start fresh. Just I want to see. I don't want to import from my VS Code. I have too many. I like the dark mode. Next. Ooh, it's recommended agent assisted development, agent driven development. What is the difference? Terminal execution policy turbo. This is after agent decides. This one always proceed. Review policy, use default allow list for the browser. The agent will never request for review. This one, the agent will occasionally request for review. This is review driven. This is frequency and custom configuration. Okay, recommended is the agent will occasionally request for review. Oh, so this is like after mode turbo, and agents will never request for review, and we'll just code it. I guess we can change it on the fly, so we will choose this one, agent assisted development. Keyboard binding normal, extensions, install 7 extensions. Ooh, what are they? Pre-installed and to be installed Python. Cool, okay, why not? It's good stuff. Command line, install the command line tool to open Antigravity with AG. Okay, AG. Next. Oh, it's asking to sign in with Google. and I'm going to choose my off the screen my email, sign in, next. We successfully authenticated, and now we say open folder. All right. Oh, I was doing this interesting project that it's remember from. It is look like a VS Code. Yes, I trust the. I was playing with the YouTube channel banners. Okay, that is awesome. And I was making a script to convert WebP to PNG images, and this is a WebP converter. Alright, so what it's asking, do you want to install recommended Python extensions from yeah, install. Yep. Okay, trust the publisher, and we're going to installing. Okay, so it is a Visual Studio code, but we have an agent right there. This is what we need. So we've got our extensions. So we have here, select a model, dismiss. Let's select them. So we have choices. Oh wow, we do have Gemini Pro, Claude Sonnet, and GPT OSS. Nice. And there is a planning mode. Agent can plan before executing task, use for deep research, complex task, or collaborative work. So that's good. And then fast agent will execute task directly, use for simple task that can be completed faster. Okay, now the plus sign is we can add images, mentions, and workflows. A workflow. Ooh, we can create a workflow. I like that. Okay, there is no workflows yet, but we probably can design a few. Okay, so let's ask, right? Shall we? Let's see if Claude Sonnet is really working, connected. Okay, so let me ask, right? What is this file do? Look at this, the Claude Sonnet connected. Okay, so indeed, this is a WebP to PNG JPEG image converter script written in Python. Here's what it does. The script convert the image, key components. Oh, it's even on a... Ooh, look, you click on this function and it's selecting this function in code. This is neat. This is very nice. And then another function. Ooh, I like it. I actually like it a lot. Huh. And we're going to say, okay, what's going to happen? Not yet. Okay, it's creating GUI. Oh, it's creating, okay, it's actually creating a new pie. and asking me to accept. I accept. All right. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, it's finished. It's finished creating a GUI, so it tested it. Okay, and it says accept. I accept all. All right. So now we have to do is run this command. Okay, let's open terminal. Interesting. I can new terminal. Okay, we have a terminal and press Ctrl+I to generate a command. Interesting. So press Ctrl+I and we can actually, ooh, this is interesting. We can ask here to generate a command for our terminal. I like that. Okay, so we're going to copy this, paste it here, and enter. And we've got our simple GUI. Interesting. So let's okay. This is the file. I'm gonna convert to JPEG, and we'll see if it will appear image convert. And we have image JPEG converted. Very nice, very nice, very nice. The preview, of course, is small, but this is fun. This is fun. It's very good. I like it. So there you go. We have a working application. So now we can talk about this application saying, hey, we want to process multiple files and improve that application. All right, I will see you in the next video.